Lagi ko itong nakikita sa Sephora, which is hagang touch lang ako, hagang tingin lang ako. Sabi ko, ano ba ito? Napakamahal. Sabi ko gano'n, parang sabi, napakamahal sa mukha lang gagamitin ganitong amount.
Wherever you go, wherever you go, Sunday came, I was lost in a dream. Sunlight poured through the sycamore trees and you...
Annyeonghaseyo. Ni hao ma. Joke. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's vlog, I'll be unboxing a Foreo Luna tree. So, I just received this Foreo. I don't know, it's Foreo Luna tree last week. I'll purchase this during 666 sale. Alam nyo naman, kapag June month dito sa Singapore is Great Singapore Sale. So, ang daming sale. Kapag nag-sale is usually 30%, 50%, 70%. Ayun. So, ni-grab ko na. Grabe, minsan lang mag-sale or what. Lagi ko itong nakikita sa Sephora, which is hagang touch lang ako, hagang tingin lang ako. Sabi ko, ano ba ito? Napakamahal. Sabi ko gano'n, parang sabi, napakamahal sa mukha lang gagamitin ganitong amount. Which is, may nagpa-realize sa akin na bumili nito. Thanks wine sa Budol. So, for my Vietnamese friend, she introduced me this item. Yeah, I'll show you first the item. Yeah, it's Foreo Luna tree. See, I think this is the latest Foreo for ni-launch ng for a facial cleansing, firming massage. So there is a three color for this. There is a pink color which is for normal skin. And this purple color is for sensitive skin, and there is a blue color for combination skin. So, ang pinili ko is yung purple color. Kasi, I feel na yung skin ko is sensitive. Actually, last time, I don't even have any pimples on my face. Yung nag-start na tayong since pandemic, and we need to wear mask. When we start to wear mask, as nag-start na rin mag-break out yung face ko. May mga pimples na ganun. So, yeah. So, siya din, nagkaroon siya ng pimples. And after a while, sabi niya sa akin, nung she started to buy this item, she used this item more than a month. Ayun, nawala. Actually, nung nakita ko siya is, last time is madami siyang pimples, dami niyang breakouts. But ngayon, sobrang kinis na ng face niya. So, I don't know if it will works to me, but let's get it try and let's see how it works. Kahit sobrang hindi siya affordable. Okay, let's unbox this item. Yeah, they stated here, so yung Foreo Luna tree is from Sweden. Made by Sweden siya. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Then, the color is nice, color purple. Actually, my favorite color is color pink. Yeah. This is how it looks like. So, to unlock these devices, I need to install an app. So, I will scan this QR code and install the app. So, and i-adjust yung mga intensity level or anything using yung apps. Ang maganda dito sa Foreo, ito yung cleansing area niya. And this one naman is yung massage. Meron siyang pang cleansing, meron din siyang pang massage, 'di ba? So hindi mo na kailangan magpa-facial. So iniisip ko din siya is for a lifetime use na rin siya. Tsaka ang mahal-mahal kaya ng facial dito. So hindi ko siya afford. So I'm thinking na mag-invest, worth of investing din pala. Pero tingnan natin how this item works to me. Is it worth it or not? Worth to buy ba or what? So, I'll gonna review that also. Wow, it's really smooth. And I'm excited to use the mask. Kasi ako yung taong mas skincare. So, every night talaga pagka uwi ko after work, ay mag-ano talaga ako sa face ko. Mag-ano ako, magseserum ako, toner. Syempre, face yan, no? Panlaban yan, char. Ayun ang panlaban natin, girl. So, ano na doon yung mga wrinkles. Pero bata pa ako. I'm only 25 years old. Pero ganito na ako sa sarili ko. Yung kailangan may toner. So, skincare routine ko every night. Dapat may toner ako. May moisturizer ako. Moisturize ko yung mukha ko. So, every week, 3 times ako nagmamask. Ayun. So, sobrang ko talaga kapag sa face. Ayoko kasi kaya naiirita ako kapag nung may pimples na ako. Sobrang irritable ako. Dapat, ang dami kong pimples, ganun. Nung nag-start lang mag-wear ng mask, dun talaga, hindi na talaga natanggal yung pimples ko as in. Hindi ko din alam. So, meron akong pimples, hindi lang kita. Tatakpan lang ng makeup. Ayun, nakikita niyo, may mga ayoko na pakita. Baka matakot kayo. So, yun. So, eto siya. Ang dami kong sinabi. Unboxing pa lang to. And, yeah. Yung case. Ito yung case. And charger. So, sabi ng friend ko, once niya lang to chinarge. As in, within 1 hour, then you can use it half a year. I don't know is it real or not. Hindi ko alam kung magtatagalog or English ako. So, siyang dalin kahit saan. Kasi napakaliit niya lang eh. Diba? Pero kahit dalin mo kahit saan, wag mong iiwan. Napakamahal niya. Diba? Ayun. So, let's see how it works. So, I will show you how it will works on the app. And pwede din siya, for example, once you already set up the intensity, then how many seconds you want to wash your face or what, it depends on you. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin, you just press lang etong button na to. So, it's automatically. So, you don't need to control your cleansing using your phone. Ayun, nakita ko lang siya sa video sa ibang YouTuber. Love this. That's the unboxing part. So, for reviewing part, I'll be reviewing it also. So, let's go. Bye-bye!
And that smile, you know I love